Hello, this is Attorney Patrick Silva with a demonstration regarding the eye test and some of the most common faults. Come on over here. Some of the most common faults that we see is that the officer does not have a 12 to 15 inch gap between the nose and the stimulus. The other fault is that they're using something that's not of contrast. It has to be something a light or it has to be bright. The next problem we see that the officer has it too high. If his stimulus is too high, that causes a false reading on the eye test. The next problem we see is that the officer does not check for equal tracking, equal pupil size, or resting nystagmus. That takes about 10 to 15 seconds. The next problem is that when they're checking for lack of smooth pursuit, or strike that, when they're checking for equal tracking, they're moving it too fast. It has to be at the same speed of lack of smooth pursuit. 2 seconds from the center to the out, right? Equal tracking, that's what they're checking for. Then the manual says that they should have a definite break in time before they move on to the next segment. The next segment is going to be lack of smooth pursuit. This is how they're supposed to do it. It's going to be 2 seconds out, 2 seconds back, 2 seconds out, 2 seconds back, 1001, 1002, out. That's checking it twice, checking it twice. The next test that they're supposed to check for is distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation. Here's how it's supposed to be done. They're going out slowly at 2 second pace. When they get out here to the sustained, they have to see white. I just went too far on his eyes. They have to still see white. They have to hold it for 4 seconds. Then they go back slowly, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds, hold it for 4, 2 seconds back to center, to center, hold it for 4 seconds, and then back to center. That's distinct and sustained. If they do not hold it for 4 seconds on this part of the test, the NHTSA manual says they're going to see a false clue. The clues are distinct and sustained. Then the last part they're going to check for is onset prior to 45 degrees. And the correct language is onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees. It's going to tell them take about 4 seconds to get out to the corner, hold, come across, hold, hold, okay? And I went through that one a little quick. After that, they're going to do vertical gaze nystagmus. This is go as far as the eyes will go up, hold it for a minimum of 4 seconds. And what the officer is looking for, he's looking for a type of jerking that's called nystagmus, a rebound eye flex. The problem is the NHTSA manual says on page 8, on section 8, page 13, if you don't give the test correctly, the clues that you see become invalidated. I see this over and over and over. The police officer is giving these eyes tests in about 30 to 40 seconds. To do the proper administration is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hope this demonstration has been valuable. This is Attorney Patrick Silva. Have a great day.